So yeah, no, I'm kind of close to the camera right now, but yeah, I'm finna back up. This video is me singing for the second time. I'm gonna sing "I Know Who Holds Tomorrow," and my voice is almost gone, so I hope it sounds somewhat okay. I know it's not gonna sound all the way okay, but somewhat okay will work. Okay, so here we go. I don't know about tomorrow. I just live from day to day, and I don't borrow from its sunshine, for skies may turn to gray, and I don't worry about my future, for I know what Jesus said. And today he walks beside me, for he knows what lies ahead. Many things about tomorrow I don't seem to understand, but I know who holds tomorrow, and I know who holds my hand. Thanks, YouTube.